So by using Adobe Bridge, what you can also do is access out camera raw. So for DNG images or any raw images, of course, you can go ahead and open the camera raw right here just by right clicking, just like this. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and open up camera raw for non-raw images. Like for example, there's this JPG image right here. So you can simply go ahead and right click and open it up in camera raw. In the Adobe apps, you don't have easy access as such, but you can see that you got the editing controls and everything, even for regular images just like this, and you can go ahead and then save it out right here, and you even have the camera raw image saved out right here just like this with the help of Bridge. So this can be done for all of the images right here, and just like that you can go around, and even for regular images that you see right here, you can go ahead and then access camera raw through it. You can go to open in camera raw and you will get access to it in camera raw just like that. And that is how you can access camera raw for normal and raw pictures inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.